As we work to meet the needs of our students while exploring new methods of online and face-to-face instruction, this module is designed to create a pathway for continued educational technology support this school year. We always take the time to remind you of your support system. Remember that technology is in a constant state of change. What works today might not work tomorrow. We ask you to lean into this discomfort, ask questions, troubleshoot, and even Google it with your PLC, digital mentor, instructional coaches, and IEL team. Also, don't forget your building tech. To further support you with educational technology, we have created an LPS Online Survival Kit. This document provides quick access to educational technology resources, training, support, and real-time updates on LPS core technology tools and online instructional practices. These tools in our survival kit will grow, and the content will shift as we experience frequent updates to these core technology tools. The kit will also change to respond to your educational needs. So remember to check back often for awareness around current technology issues and frequently asked questions by LPS educators.
As mentioned, this resource will continue to grow and be responsive to Littleton Public School educators. Because this is an essential document for educators, it will be available through the Littleton Public Schools Google Chrome folder for easy access. Simply click the yellow LPS folder and notice it is linked at the bottom, Online Survival Kit. You can see this folder when you are logged into your LPS Google account. No need to bookmark or search your Google Drive. Visit this document often for updates. Also notice that we have included the videos and documents from the LPS Educator Modules 1 through 3. Module 1, Google Classroom, Module 2, Priority Standards, Module 3, Library Resources, and Engaging Instruction that include Cognitive Rigor Matrix, Jamboard, and Flipgrid. Please pause the video and watch the known issue videos, read or watch the LPS Educator FAQs, and lastly, check that the Survival Guide for Fall 2020 does appear in your LPS Chrome folder.